Let's start with suppliers. This is your supplier database. Every vendor you work with lives here. You see company name, code, status, and you can filter or search instantly. Creating a new supplier is straightforward. Company name, auto-generated code with your custom prefix. We are using sup here. Address, country, tax number, payment terms, default currency. Save and your supplier is ready. Now here's where it gets interesting. Each supplier has tabs, contacts, items, orders, scorecard, and email settings. Contacts, you can add multiple people per supplier. Name, email, phone, position. Mark 1 is primary, that's who receives your purchase orders and RFQs by default. Supplier items, this is your pricing catalog. Link items to the supplier with unit prices and lead times. When you create a purchase order later, these prices autofill. And if you're running Inventory Pro, its preferred supplier dropdown pulls directly from this data. Every item had this favorite, and if it's activated, you can create quick orders. You have the price change view to see what's changed. This is one of my favorite features. Every supplier gets a scorecard, a performance rating across 4 dimensions. Quality, 40% of the score based on order ratings and quality incidents. Delivery, 30% on time delivery tracking. Communication, 15%. Response times on RFQs, order confirmations. Price, 15%. Stability and competitiveness over time. The overall score is a weighted average on a 0 to 10 scale. You can see monthly trends, historical graphs, and set alerts when a supplier drops below a threshold. You can log quality incidents, minor, major, or critical, and they feed directly into the score. It's real data, not guesswork, and it gives you solid ground for supplier negotiations.